Hello traders, welcome back to Pitch Traders YouTube channel. I just wanted to do a quick review on the present price action of US dollar JPY. So I'm on weekly time frame now in US dollar JPY. I have previously informed that it was on a downtrend in weekly time frame. Here you can see it. Then we noticed that here it has given a breakout and it has also retested the dynamic support here. So we know that the uptrend has started. Let us do the analysis on the daily time frame. So in daily time frame, I had already informed that it was traveling on a channel pattern. So it is still within the channel pattern. It has retraced up to here and found a support here. Then it has retraced, started its uptrend. This is the status now. We have a dynamic support here, which is actually acting. You can see it here. It has acted as a strong resistance, and now it has acted as a strong support. Then from here, trend has reversed. Let's do the analysis in hourly time frame. When you do the analysis in hourly time frame by using the Fibonacci's retracement tool, it has always found a support here, and the market started to trend up. This is the information we have when we check using the Fibonacci's retracement tool. Now we can see this is a base where this is where the uptrend started, and this is where the trend reversal happened. And I'm drawing a trend line here. I have drawn a trend line here. Here you can see that it has found a support exactly at this trend line. Here this is where the trend line started. Next I'm expecting the candle to stop, find a support at this point, then that trend reversal to happen. That is what my expectation is, and strong resistance lays here. It has to break this resistance to go further with the uptrend. So presently it is retracing back to this dynamic support here, and if it bounces back, we can see a trend reversal and a strong uptrend to continue. If the market always traces back, tests the previous low, then it retraces. As long as it doesn't break the lower low, we can see a trend reversal. But still, this is also acted as a strong support. So if this line is also not broken, or this support is not broken, we can still see the trend reversal to happen. So in overall, the market is on the uptrend. Just it's retesting the dynamic support. Let us wait and see how the market has respected this dynamic support. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.